In today's video, we are going to be doing this hairstyle right here. It's like a bohemian, gypsy, knotless box braid vibe. We'll call it something like that. Yeah, we're gonna get into this hairstyle. It's quick, easy, simple, affordable, number one. And it's also like a DIY style. All you have to know how to do in this video is braid. And if you don't know how to braid, just try to follow the steps and maybe you can learn, because it's really not hard. Make sure you subscribe to my channel first and foremost if you like my content. Also, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, maybe ideas about what I should do next, or what you liked about this video, or even what you didn't like about this video. Stay tuned. So I'm coming to you straight out my shower. My hair is still wet. My edges are so thin on this side, so I want to say they ripped out from this frontal I had in. I don't care what nobody says. When you wear a frontal, it takes out your hair. I don't care what nobody says. Like, it takes out some of your hair. It may not take out all of your hair, but it definitely takes out some of your hair. Anyways, first I'm going to be using some Jamaican black castor oil to go on my roots and on my hair before I blow dry it, to stimulate the growth of my hair and to kind of moisturize, although this is mainly for my scalp. Now I'm gonna be using my coconut oil. I just got this from the hair store. It's like $1, maybe $2. And put it into my hair so that it's shiny and healthy and moisturized. Now I need to blow dry my hair straight, so I'm gonna also use my Silk Essential Heat Protectant Spray. And now I'm just gonna blow dry. Let's get started on the braid. So I want mine to be kind of jumbo. So what you're gonna need is some Murray's EDGEWAX, or any type of edge control really, but I use this one because it works good on my hair. It doesn't turn my hair white. I'm going to put it around the perimeter of the braid, around the square. I'm actually going to take out the edges that I'm going to be using as baby hair right now. Remember, I want this to be a bohemian look, so I'm actually leaving a lot of baby hair out. Put that right there. I'm going to separate this a little bit. Put some right there. I'm going to comb it through to even out the product, and then just smooth it down to make sure everything's all good. You can use any type of KANEKALON hair. I'm using the Expressions hair. It's already pre-stretched in the color 30. Each braid, it really just depends. Mine, I kind of want it to be like a kind of messy look, but I know they're gonna look neat at first, so I'm gonna take 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, mind you, you may not need all 5. So I just did this braid, and I thought I was recording, but I don't know. I looked at the phone and it just did not record. Anyways, you see how it's kind of husky right here? So this one, I want to minimize that. So I'm going to start off by braiding. So we're going to split our real hair in 3 sections. We are going to go 1, 2, a 1, a 2, a 3. So then we're gonna grab our first piece of hair. So I pull my hair further on this side, and so for instance the middle is not up here because I actually want my braids to be longer than the hair is. I'm going to connect this hair to this piece that I'm about to bring under. So I'm gonna do a 1. I'm gonna pull this piece to the top, a 2, and a 3, and then I'm gonna pull this piece down. Y'all get it? So I'm gonna take my next piece before I continue. After I pull the piece down, same thing. I'm gonna pull this forward, and I'm just gonna continue. 1, and that's actually not a 1. I wouldn't count that as a 1 because I'm just adding the hair. So that's 1, that's 2, and that's 3, and then I'm pulling the hair into the braid, and it gets easier the more that you do. This is the 3rd strand. I'm gonna take it, put it around, pull this side down, And then I'm gonna go 1. Well, that's not 1. Sorry for counting that. I keep doing it. That's 1. That's 2. And this is 3. And now we're gonna pull this down. And now we're gonna take our next one. Same thing. You're gonna do 1, or 1. I just did it again. 2, 3. Pull it in. And if you have short hair like me, you need to be sure, like positive, to make sure that you're putting edge control on all the little flyaway pieces, because you're gonna have them if you have short hair like me. You know what I'm saying? Like throughout the braid itself. To me, this one's good also. I wanted them big. Well, I didn't necessarily want like the braid big. I more so wanted the part itself to be big. So I think this is a good size braid for me. So now I'm just gonna continue to braid down. Oh, my baby hair keeps getting caught. Well, this is adult hair. The hair that I'm leaving out is adult hair. It's not even baby hair at that point. But anyways, I'm just gonna keep braiding down, and then I'm gonna come back to show you guys how I put my slip knot in the end. So I'll be right back. So I am back, and I have finally made it to the end of my braid. At the end of my braid, I'm going to take the longest piece that I find. So it's gonna be like these strands right here. You want it to be like 2 or 3 strands, not just 1. I'm gonna take these strands and I'm gonna wrap it around the hair. Take my middle finger to hold it, to loop it around. Take my index finger on my other hand, put it through. Take my thumb, put it through, and I'm gonna grab this hair and I'm gonna pull it through. I'm gonna do it maybe like 3 times. So one more time. Take it, middle finger comes out, index finger through the hole, thumb through the hole, and then pull it straight through. Shoot, one more time for safety. All right, so then I just tighten it like that. Don't pull too hard because you will rip the hair. And that's how you do a slip knot. This is how my braids turned out. This is not the finished product. This is just how the braids turned out. So now, whoa, now we're gonna be taking our FREETRESS braid. I picked 2 different curl patterns just because I want it to be, I don't know, kind of a messy look, but I feel like this one's kind of messy. This one looks like this one, but this one looks like the curls fell, and this one is way curlier. So I figured, I don't know, we gonna see. I figured that if I did both of them, just give me a better look. But we're about to see. I'm about to test it out for you so that you don't have to. So since I just got done with my braids, I want to take my African Royal Sheen Spray. And every time I do braids, I usually spray this on my hair every day. I also use my ISO Plus Oil Sheen on the braids because I like it to look shiny too. This does not moisturize your hair, by the way. It's simply for shininess. That's the only thing I use it for. Then every other day, I take some black Jamaican castor oil and put it on my roots again. Oh, and I did dip my hair, by the way. I didn't film that because, I mean, it's kind of obvious. You just dip your hair in hot water. You're gonna need a crochet needle for this. So I'm gonna take my hair and I'm just gonna start crocheting the hair through some of the braids. This is one curl pattern. Let me get the other one so I can mix it up. Because what you don't want to do is start doing one and then your hair is full with it and then you put some of the other ones in there. You want to kind of mix it up. What I'm going to do is take the hair and then you just want to stick your needle through, grab the hair and pull it through. Just like that. It's that easy. But when you pull it through, you have this opening right here. You want to put the hair, actually I'm going to do it through the back. You want to pull the hair through it and then just tighten it like that. And you can take both pieces, tighten it like that, make it really tight, and that's it. That easy. Now I'm going to continue and I'm going to go like I said, I'm going to do it in a pattern. Now I'm going to take a wavy piece. So I'm finding that the curly hair is more put together, like each strand, versus these are, you just take kind of what you want out of it. So I think with these I'm gonna make it kind of thicker. And I'm gonna put it higher up. Pull that through. Go behind the braid and pull it through like that. Tighten it, and then it's all set. Pretty. Like, yeah, you can't even tell. It's just, you know, curly. Before I continue on, let me show you guys how I put my, what do you call it, designs? How I put my artwork in my hair. The gold string. I have this piece right here. I just found it. I don't know where I got it from. I'm gonna put it in there. Anywhere. I'm gonna put it on this braid. As you guys see, I struggled putting that on, but I want to kind of stretch it out. Make sure the hair is good on it. Like that. Just some kind of artwork. And then I want this one to have the string. So I'm just gonna take a piece of string. I'm gonna find the end of it. Like that. I'm gonna take my scissors. Cut it. And then I'm just gonna go around. I'm gonna make sure it's tight. And then just wrap my string around like that. Around the front, cross, around the back, cross, around the front, cross, and so forth. Just keep going down the braid. Like that. It's very quick and easy. It doesn't have to be neat. That's the beauty in it. Does not have to be neat at all. And then I'm kind of just gonna stop right there. And actually not right there. I'm gonna go a little bit further. Further. And I'm gonna stop right here and I'm gonna just tie it in the back of the braid. I triple knot it to make sure that joint does not come out. And then I just cut the excess off and there we have it, a design. So like I said, now I'm gonna continue to go through my hair and put the crochet hair through. So just watch. So I am back and I just got done putting all the hair in. I didn't use all the hair, I used like half of each pack, so I guess that's like one whole pack. Now I'm just gonna do my baby hair. So I'm gonna take my EDGEWAX again, the same thing I used on all the braids, as well as my polished edges by OK, the brand OK. And I usually just get it from the hair store in the front. Some AMPRO style gel or Eco Styler. I have both sitting right here. They both do the same thing. Also my edge brush. It's a little dirty, but it's really not dirty. It just looks dirty, but it's just a bunch of edge control stuck on it. So I'm going to start by putting the EDGEWAX on my edges. So that is my baby hair. Now I'm gonna do some final touches. I like to frame these pieces around the face, so I'm just gonna cut these shorter, way shorter, like that, because the look I like is kind of like bangs. I wouldn't call it bangs, but kind of just like that. Like that. I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. This is why I put hair so close up there. Same thing, I'm gonna layer it down. And to each his own, but you can go throughout the whole head and layer each part if you want to, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna layer the front and leave the rest alone. So yes, this is my completed look. I will put pictures at the end, but this is the completed look.